Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius.
Real Men of Genius.
Today we salute you, Mr. Defiantly Shooting the Bird at Mass Shooter Guy.
Defiantly shooting the bird at Mass Shooter Guy.
Nothing says kiss my star-spangled ass, you commie bastard, like standing your ground, shooting the rod, and sipping a cold beer just 'cause you're an American and terrorist assholes suck.
Oh no,
In a
that's
hail
a
of gunfire,
bullet.
you showed that jackass who the real coward is. So crack open a Bud Light, mister. I hold my own beer, now watch this shit. Because this is America, and we don't back down from chicken shits like you.
Mr. Defiantly shooting the bird at Mass Shooter Guy.